hope I get this right because I filmed this video 3 times. Well, this is the 3rd time, but yeah. Hey guys, one of my favorite things to do is to plan, and it's no surprise that I'm making a video right now about planning your life. A few years ago though, I did make a video of how to plan your life, so this video will be an updated version, and yeah, that's all, with added tips of course, so I think you should stick around. There are a lot of benefits to planning your life, and even greater benefits when you plan smart. And according to Peak Performance Center, goals give you a direction and destination, clear focus of what is important, clarity in making decisions, gives you control of your future, provides motivation, gives you a sense of personal satisfaction, and gives you a sense of purpose in life. Yep, sounds good to me. Video ended. No, I'm kidding. But I think that this is a very important video that you may enjoy, so stick around and let's get to planning. Hello my beautiful people, my name is Sheila Noel and welcome to my channel. Here I give tips and advice on how to improve your life's performance. So if this is something that you love, please subscribe and like this video, and remember to push that notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. So let's get to it. Though my background is in architecture, I found that implementing these steps have helped me along the way, and it will be the same for you, no matter what your career choice is. Even though I'm not an expert, and some of these things you may already know, what I can tell you is it's one thing to know something and another to actually apply it to your life, and you'll find that the latter will give you so much more results. I want to give you a little homework. So in the description below or in your notebook, you're going to answer 2 questions for me. One is, what is your dream? I'll wait. You can answer. Yeah, I don't have a watch, but I'll wait. Oh, you're back. Alright, so 2 is what you believe kept you away from accomplishing it. Now that last one, let's wait until the end of the video so that we can answer that. But the first one, let's get into analyzing it. So what did you write? Do you want to be an actor? Do you want to have your business, your own business? Do you want to be financially independent? Whatever it may be, that's one step. Know what you want to do. It's very important to know what you want to do because nobody else can know that for you. So it's going to take some time, but find that out, find what you like, analyze your little patterns in life, and determine what you want to do when you grow up. Alright, let's do some research. One of the most important things to do when you find what you want to do is to do research about it, because it will save you some time into knowing if you want to still do it for the long run. My dad always said, you can't do anything without a minimum of passion. So yeah, even that little research that may seem boring to others, if it sounds exciting to you, or if you push through it and this proves that you really like what you do and that you want to push forward and move to it. Call. Hello? To finish this, I am not going to redo this thing. Hey, I'll come down after I do this because I have something to finish up. Sorry, I had to take that phone call. Say you want to have a business. Your research may look something like this. What will my name be? What is my niche? What type of products do I want to offer? And what timeline do I want to put the project at? Something like that. It takes a lot of time and research to do a business and to get it to a successful point. So this is why you need to do it in order for you to prevent doing it later. You'll still do it, of course, but it's better to know what you're getting yourself into ahead of time. As harsh as it may sound, some of the reasons why people don't succeed in life is because they have not prepared themselves for what is to come. So they may see something like an actor and they see their success, but they don't necessarily know the time it took, the hard work it took to get there. Or they see a successful business, they don't understand the background of it all. So this is what you should do. Do your background search. Set goals. I know from experience that whenever I plan something or set goals towards something, it's more likely to get achieved. So do that for yourself and determine what type of goals you want in your life. Usually I try to find goals in those 3 departments. I call them the 3 P's. My personal, my professional, and philanthropy. Now some of you may be wondering, what if these plans don't pan out the way that they should have? Or what if they don't happen? It's okay, because life happens. Funny thing about me is that I had many goals for a long time, and life did happen. I fell into a depression, and some of them did not get achieved. And that's okay, because now I still have the same goals and the same vision, and I want to continue, and I'm working towards continuing what I want to do. So I can definitely vouch for when life happens. And to be honest, one of the goals for this video is for you to give it a like. See what I did there? No, seriously, having goals is a way to organize your thoughts and yourself into making achievable, concrete decisions. Making lists will give you an idea of what you should do next. It's like writing a dissertation. When you have to write a paper, you need to know what you're going to write about. You need to brainstorm and research what you need to write about, and then you execute it, or something like that. You are the writer of your life, so make it count. Alright, form measurable daily habits. Let's dissect that for a minute. When you form measurable daily habits, it helps you put the workload that you have to do for this entire year into portions and on the timeline that you're supposed to do it, so that you don't burn out quickly. Besides, Rome was not built in a day, right? So why should your project be built in one day? Now you're going to take that notebook again, or in the description, whatever you want. You're going to write what you want to accomplish for your 10-year goal, for 5-year goal, for 1-year goal, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, and every single day. I know it's a lot, and I had to think about it again to see if I'm going right. But yeah, every step will help you move on to the next step. So let's say your daily goal will help you move on to your monthly goal, and then your monthly goal to your 3 months, and 3 months to a year, etc., etc. But first you have to know what your big vision is, which is your 10-year or 5-year goal, and then you're gonna break it down. Your daily milestones are like the Energizer Bunny that contributes to the energy that you should put towards your next goal, which is your monthly goal, and then so forth, you know. So this is the motion you need to start with, because we are in the present, not yet in the future. So my thing is, if you want to achieve a goal, set aside 1 hour for each goal. Like I said before, try to have the 3 P's, professional, personal, and philanthropy. Set aside 1 hour every day for you to achieve one portion of your goal. Set deadlines. When you set deadlines, it gives you a sense of urgency to really focus on something and finish it so that you can reach that date the deadline actually. It's like when you have finals. When you know the date of your final, you usually prepare for it so that you don't fail, of course. So setting deadlines is a really great thing, because it gives you that urgency that you need and that push that you need to finish on time. These steps will show you a version of what your path may look like. Now accomplishing it is up to you. So, do you remember the question that we talked about at the beginning? We said, what do you believe puts you away from accomplishing your goal? Well, the answer is simple. You. You are the only one that keeps you from accomplishing your goal. That's it. If it's money or life gets in the way, there is always a solution for you to get to where you need to go. When there's a will, there's a way. You know that quote. Research, set your goals, set deadlines, and then achieve them. Because you can do this. There are many roads that lead to Rome. I share with you what has been effective for me and what I will continue to implement, especially this year. So I hope that you do too. Thank you so much for your time and for interacting with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, push that notification bell so that you know whenever I post something new. Until next time, à la prochaine. Bye.